Speculative Memories, a $29 library from Spitfire Audio helps you make dark atmospheres in no time. Today we're gonna explore my ambient score and see how it works in the context. But it's boring, right? So I'm gonna tell you three tips. Come on, Japanese. 3 tips to make dark atmospherical textural music. Spitfire Audio doesn't sponsor this video, but they gave me a copy. Hey music creators, I'm Tateshi. Quick question, how do you make atmospheres? Do you like to use synths, samples, or libraries? Let me know in the comments. This is important, guys. The point of this library is space. Before we jump into it, let me talk about what it offers. Speculative Memories has 5 categories of sounds: vocals, a guitar, Buchla 200E modular synths, sound design textures, and double bass. They all are superb. According to the manual, read manuals, my friends. Well, the mod wheel allows you to move between dry signal and the tape effect signal. So it's not dynamics this time. Important part, let's take a look at space. There's a knob, fader, I don't know how to call it, well, to control reamp. It moves between the current signal set by the dynamics fader and the special signal recorded at mono. Well, read the Spitfire Audio's web page for more about mono. It's kind of like spacey sound. It works like aperture to stack, right? Don't miss how I used it. I'll show you later. I see you later. So this is my DAW, and all the dark blue tracks are Speculative Memories. Also used brass and percussion from Albion series. This song begins with organic sounds and becomes hybrid at the end. I imagine something like a man is in a chamber and starts to follow his memories with the machine. You know what I mean? Let's go. This song begins with this double bass spiccato mayhem. This one, I added delay, built-in delay to blur the release, you know. There are 2 main elements in this song, a guitar and a drum. Let's get to the guitar first. Octave Swarms plays the melody. I automated reamp. You can see the automation here. I guess it's control 15. I added interesting movements. And the drone. This drone is made from a patch called Double Bass Distorted Swell. I inserted a filter and infiltrator modulation thing, like phaser and vocoder. I automated this filter to cut off the unwanted high frequencies, and I also automated the mix of this modulation. It begins with organic sounds, ends with hybrid sounds. Tip number 1 is use drones. They are very effective when writing ambient scores. For example, this song is in the key of E flat natural minor, and this drone plays E flat. Literally, the drone is the key of the song because, you know, it supports all the harmonic things you do in the higher registers. Whatever you do in the high... Be quiet, guitar. Whatever you do in the high registers, it all will sound okay. These are the main elements, so let's see the other elements I used. This one is modular synth warm swell. I crank up the reamp fader all the way up. I also pan it towards left because this next element, Vox slow pulse, is panned to the right. Left, and right. See? So this is the tip number 2, use space. You have to make the audience enjoy the sounds instead of like musical melodies, harmonies, etc. So space is very important. The reamp fader will help you make your space more interesting. Being said, let's see this one, voltage drops. First of all, I pitch bend it, and at the same time I tweak the reamp fader. See, so this leads the audience to another space. Textures, voice memory. This is very quiet. But this adds kind of details to the song. So this is the third tip of today. These little details will make your song sound intimate and interesting. Let's quickly see another sound. Originally it sounded like this. This is the same sound I used in the intro. I did enter it and reverse it, so it sounds like. And I also use Sound Toys Micro Shift and ROM Reverb. Interesting textures, right? Kinda sounds hybrid. And the last one is double bass trio tube waves. Again, this I rendered it because I wanted to use this one in filter layer to add movements. It's very subtle, but these little details will make it more interesting. Ta-da! Do you have any tips to make dark ambient scores? Let me know in the comments. Do you want to steal my production skills? Watch this video and see how I made cinematic track in an hour with Spitfire audio products. If you enjoyed this video and if you like this kind of combination of tutorials and reviews, please hit like and subscribe to this channel or you'll miss inspiring tips. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you can dream it, you can produce it.